In this video, I'll show you where to find the fuse boxes of your Toyota Tercel from 1994 to 1999. Here in the driver footwell, you need to remove this small cap and you'll have the first fuse box. You can see it right there, and on the cap you'll have the diagram to know which fuses is which. Okay? Now you'll need to go under the hood. Under the hood on the right side, you'll find the other fuse box. You have the diagram right on top. This is very helpful. To remove it, just unclip the cap. And there will be another fuse box right here on the right side of the washer fluid. It's a bit harder to get since it's cramped there. And again, you have the diagram written on the cap, and the fuses will be right there. Thanks for watching, and please comment and give a like if this video was helpful.